Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to record video in Android with screen off. Recording video with the screen completely off is generally not supported on standard Android devices for privacy and security reasons. Android normally stops camera recording when the screen is turned off or the phone is locked. However, if your goal is to record discreetly without using a PC, some Android apps provide this functionality subject to your device, an Android version, and local laws. To begin, connect your Android phone to the internet. Open the Google Play Store and search for a trusted background video recording app. Download and install an app that supports background video recording. Open the app, then grant the requested camera, microphone, and storage permissions. Now, tap on Settings to go to the settings. Review the app's recording settings. Choose your preferred video quality here. Now, go back and tap on Record to begin your recording. And then confirm. Here, choose the camera. So I'll choose the back camera and allow permissions. Also enable the permissions to the microphone. Then tap Allow. Now the recording has been started here and the time is moving forward, and it means it's working. Now let us turn off our phone screen. Turn the screen back on and return to the app when you're finished. Tap the stop to end the recording and save the video. Then open your phone's gallery or the app's recordings folder to review the saved video. Take note. Some Android devices and newer Android versions restrict background camera access, so screen off recording may not work on every phone, even with a third-party app. And always respect privacy laws and obtain permission before recording others where required. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.